Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a precision-focused technical comparison between LibreCAD and QCAD, the two defining open-source pillars dominating the free 2D computer-aided drafting and design landscape. If you are a mechanical engineer, an architect, a hobbyist running a laser cutter, or a maker planning complex CNC router cuts, understanding why these two platforms look so similar yet act so differently is critical before investing your time into building massive technical blueprints. To understand their relationship, you must realize they share identical DNA, as LibreCAD was originally created as a direct community fork of an older version of QCAD to escape outdated software library dependencies. Today, LibreCAD stands as a completely uncompromised 100% free open-source ecosystem under the GPL v2 license, with zero paywalls, zero locked modules, and a highly familiar user interface that mimics the core handling concepts and command lines of legacy industry giants like AutoCAD. Internally, LibreCAD natively utilizes the standard DXF file format for saving and importing architectural geometry, making it an incredibly lightweight, distraction-free drafting board that runs flawlessly on lower-end laptops or Linux home setups without burning up system RAM. However, relying entirely on LibreCAD means accepting massive developmental plateaus and missing modern production features. Because it depends solely on voluntary community contributions, its core software updates roll out at an incredibly slow pace, leaving users with an outdated property editor, no native support for modern TrueType text formatting, and severe file rendering anomalies when trying to view complex modern formatting. On the opposite side, QCAD operates under a highly successful dual-license business model, offering a baseline open-source community layout alongside an incredibly cheap one-time payment professional upgrade. Where QCAD completely crushes LibreCAD is its aggressive development cycle and professional interoperability pipelines, delivering frequent feature enhancements and deep native support for the universal DWG file standard through commercial design library integrations. The Professional Suite introduces a highly sophisticated scripting framework based on ECMAScript, a remarkably smooth visual layer management tree, dynamic automatic layout scaling, and robust architectural symbol libraries that let you drag and drop structural components into your canvas instantly. Furthermore, QCAD hosts a hyperactive international user forum where developers respond to bug reports within hours rather than years. The trade-off is purely financial, as accessing QCAD's advanced file conversion utilities, SVG exports, and commercial plugins requires leaving the completely free territory behind. Ultimately, if you are a pure open-source purist who only requires fundamental 2D line drawings, basic dimensioning, and unmetered standard DXF editing on zero budget, LibreCAD is a highly dependable workspace. But if you are managing complex corporate client blueprints, require precise file translations, and need active software support to hit tight structural deadlines, investing in QCAD Professional is absolutely the superior choice. Subscribe the channel for more videos.